Hindi lubos akalain ng mga taga-subaybay ng ABS-CBN series na FPJ ang Batang Quiapo, na bigla na lang tatapusin ang karakter ni Lovie Poe na si Mokang. Dahil sa episode nitong January 4 ay napanood kung paano sinalo ni Mokang ang bala na para sana ni Tanggol na karakter naman ni Coco Martin. Nabigla ang lahat ng mga fans, dahil ni sa teaser ay wala ni paramdam na tatapusin na pala ni Lovie, kaya hindi ito expected ng viewers. Marami ang hindi nakapaniwala at umaasa, na baka naman mau-ospital lang si Mokang at gagaling din, tulad ng karakter ni Coco na bagamat ilang ulit nang nabaril, ay muli namang nakaka-recover. Pero kagabi January 5 ay lumabas na nga ang kinatatakutan ng lahat, dahil nagbahagi nga ang aktres sa kanyang Instagram account ng isang farewell message para sa lahat ng nakasama niya na staff sa nasabing teleserye na ang Batang Quiapo, dahil tutuong tapos na ang role niya sa Batang Quiapo at hindi na siya babalik, mensahe ni Lovie. I am truly blessed to have been part of a project that represents my father's name. It was a first and it will always mean the world to me. My deepest appreciation to Sir Deo, Tita Cory, and ABS-CBN, for this opportunity. You have given me a amazing piece to my puzzle. For that, I will always be grateful. A big part of my 2023 was breathing life into a character I have grown to love. What a privilege it was to play Mokang. She was a fighter and she taught me how it is to truly be free. It really was a tough decision for me to make, but I have decided to turn the page. To my Batang Quiapo team, the depth of your creativity and imagination knows no bounds and I know you will continue to soar high. I will always be cheering for all of you from afar. Mamimiss ko kayo ng malala. To my dearest tagapagtanggol, maybe in another life. Direk Coco. My dad's legacy is in great hands. Salamat at pinapapatuloy mo. Coco, I will always be one of your biggest fans. Please try to get some sleep. At sa mga nagmamahal kay Mokang, sobrang mahal ko din kayo. Maraming salamat po. Inyong tropa, Mokang, now signing off.